do something. The other white noises, y'all knew every location, so I was always just following. This one I can fucking lead.
Oh, I'm scared. What
Turn your
the
flashlight
fuck?
on and off again.
There's a battery in here, but alright, I'm gonna use my
Holy
compass.
cow, dude,
Ready?
look how much my flashlight does.
This way.
Look at this. This is
What
without my
the
flashlight. This is with my flashlight on.
Wow. I'm scared. I'm scared.
You hear that, Alex?
Dibs, 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 dibs.
It's in the room.
No, it's not.
Ah!
What?
Damn, y'all working.
Someone else gotta use compass.
I got it.
Yeah.
Straight this way for a ways. Oh. We're gonna have to go through here. Can someone else use their compass now?
No, yeah.
Roberts?
No, I accidentally hit X on mine back there.
Oh, it's this way. It's this way.
Someone else lead the way.
This way, Easton.
Can't go that way. This way. Oh, we gotta go down. We
Oh,
gotta go left somehow. Alright, here. We can go left here. Alright, someone else want to use theirs now? Oh, it's this
I'm
big
almost
ass
there.
thing.
There's one in here.
No, it's this. It's the fucking buttons.
Picking up the flashbang.
Oh, never mind. It's not the buttons.
I can use my compass if you want.
there we go.
Y'all
Damn,
stop
I rocked
running
that
across
That's
the,
all we need to do.
across the goddamn house.
It's this
I'll
way.
rock that nigga.
Okay.
It's yellow too. There's a battery right there.
Yeah, hold up. I gotta grab this battery.
Is there another one? What?
I don't think so.
Where are we going? Where's Harbert's? Oh, okay.
Right here. It's gotta be close.
I can use mine now. Let me use it. Nope, we go this way, this way, this way.
Where you at?
Just follow me.
Door that we went in. I hear it.
Oh, yup.
Can I get it so I can get higher level?
Boy.
Okay. You
Get the
bitch.
next one. I need a 1.
Where we going?
Who's got a compass?
Oh, me.
Easton's
Um,
out there.
This way. Oh,
Ooh, he's behind you. Goodbye.
There wasn't even a noise.
So sneaky.
Why are we-
Where'd Harbert's go? Harbert's, where are
He did. He got rid of
you? Yellow
me.
Harbert's.
I can't.
Press
Not
Y.
yet.
oh shit! He's right up here.
Okay.
We're
Am
close.
I right near you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
Ooh.
Alright, now where we gotta go? Hold on, let me pick this up.
Guys, I need a battery real bad. Oh fuck! You guys are kind of.
Behind you.
Okay.
Alright, where we go? Oh, this way, follow me,
Where
follow
was
me.
it?
Do those light sticks last for the whole game?
Easton
Like-
battery, Easton battery.
Yep. Yep.
Alright, I get the next one.
Well, you wanna use your compass, Harbert's?
I don't have it yet.
I got it. It's like this way, like through this room, kind of.
What color?
Wait. What the fuck?
Hold up,
How
hold
are-
up here, come back here, come back here, come back here.
Hold
Let's
on.
go down these stairs.
What's
Sean's here, you just put a sigil down, or whatever.
Hold on, I'm using
We
med
can't go
kit.
that way.
Oh fuck! Where is he? Where is he?
He stunned me, dude.
We need to get out of this room.
I got chains.
We gotta go past that sigil. Or whatever the fuck it is. Follow me down these stairs.
I flashbanged him. I flashbanged his ass. Did that get you, Sean?
I'm gonna grab this battery.
Yeah.
Ah! Wheezy on the
I
beat.
thought you grabbed one already.
Well, no, there's one right here.
It's straight ahead. It's close. Turn your left. Left, Easton. You hear it?
Oh, it's
Oh, yeah.
No, it is.
It's straight ahead.
It's in the middle.
I see it.
Alright, there's hopefully a battery around here. Hope it's-
Oh, I can't. Don't pick it up, you fucker! I'm trying to level up!
Hubbard's
I can
battery.
use my
Hubbard's
compass.
battery.
I just picked one up. I'm good.
Easton, battery.
Alright, thank you.
I can use my compass if y'all want me to.
Yeah.
I want you to give me that tape, you
Ooh.
fuck.
It's close. It's like this
Where?
way. This way. This way, blue. The battery?
Another
Alex?
battery. I'm so
I don't need it. I'm full.
I hear it. I hear
Is
it.
someone?
Let me get it, you fucker.
Easton, it's in this room over here.
Yeah, I hear
It's
it.
right outside the room.
Oh my lord.
Wait, what?
It's on the
You gotta
other
go
side
around.
of that wall. Are you kidding me?
Over here.
No.
Over here. Over here.
Easton, where you? Okay, I was gonna say, where is
I'm
it?
ready.
It's over here. Up here.
Pick that up.
There we go. Okay, I got my
I'm using
compass.
compass.
Okay, you use yours.
It's this way and it's close. It's this way and it's close.
Fucking creepy as shit. Huh. Funny as shit. Oh, I keep thinking there's bugs on my screen. I'm just going insane.
Cover my back.
Oh fuck,
Alright,
fuck, fuck,
it's in
fuck,
here.
fuck,
Oh,
fuck.
it's
She's coming up behind us. Sean's coming up behind us.
Shine your flashlight.
Plus I'm go. Oh fuck! Stunned. I'm stunned.
He's in the corner.
Where y'all at? Are we all still in this room?
I'm right here.
We're reading book. Got it.
Okay, I used my compass. It's this way. It's like out of the room we just came through. Oh fuck. We can't really go that way, can we?
No, let's just go this way.
Is he behind us? Yo,
Oh, shit.
He's behind us. He's behind us. Throw your things.
I already threw mine.
He's back there.
Alright, I'm gonna use my compass.
Okay.
We went the wrong way. Turn to left. Left up here. Straight. It's straight up here.
This character I have
No,
is so slow.
This
We
way.
can't go that way.
I hate
Yeah.
I hate this map.
Please
There's too
turn.
many stairs, man.
It's hard, dude, isn't it?
It's in here.
Oh, there's bugs all over my screen.
For real, me too.
There's
gotta be
something in here
close.
that we have to do. Oh, it's over here. I hear it. Easton, do you want this one too?
Uh,
Easton,
Yeah,
take
sure.
this
Right here
one.
on me.
I'm coming. Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna use my
Alright, I
compass.
can use. Okay.
This way.
I need a battery too. Shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna need one here soon.
That next one's one of y'all's. I'm so good.
Right there, right
Herbert,
there.
use
right
the
there, right
it's
there.
battery right here, right here. Herbert, you gotta use the professional flashlight, dude. Easton, right here.
Oh, dude.
Oh,
This
okay.
thing brightens up so quick, and I don't need one soon, but I just like to have it. I'm only
Oh,
a
but this,
quarter
the
done, dude.
professional's so fucking good. It's huge
Oh,
and
we're going the wrong way.
massive.
We're going the wrong way. It's this way.
It's like through here, isn't it?
I think so.
I can use my compass.
Shit.
He's close. Sean's close. You gotta go up the stairs.
Okay. Oh, he's back there. He's
His battery up
back
here.
there.
Harberts, use his battery.
He's behind us, though. He's behind us.
Got your back. Alright, I'm gonna use my compass. It's that way. It's that way, Easton. That way for a while. It was yellow.
I hear it.
Shit.
Oh, you thought, buddy boy.
No way! My character's so slow. Harvard's can outrun me.
It's gonna be a
That's why I
long
didn't
night.
go. I chose one that was somewhat fast. It's behind us and it's blue, so we gotta double back.
Which way?
This way.
Yo,
It was
where
blue.
are these stairs
Shit, I
at?
gotta
Easton.
sign
I
that
hate
too.
this shit.
Fuck!
It's only a paragraph.
Oh shit, that fucking desk just appeared out of nowhere. What the fuck?
I hear it.
Yeah, it's straight ahead.
Yeah.
This is the worst character I can pick, man.
Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a battery. I gotta grab this battery. Cover my back.
Okay.
Oh my
Gotcha.
god! What
Where's-
the hell?
They're this way,
Let me
this
get
way,
a
this way.
speed boost.
Yeah, we gotta go this way.
Remember, throw your things once we get there.
Throw what things? The light sticks?
There's an idol in here. Can we get past it, you think?
Yeah, just don't look at
Go
it.
to, go to the, go to the
Shit, I am so close. Oh fuck. That was scary.
I'm doing one.
Did you say throw the light
Please don't
sticks?
back.
There's so many idols in here, too. Oh, he's got me! Easton!
Where are you at?
Alex, what's everyone?
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
I don't know.
They spawned me across
Get the
map.
sigils, get the sigils.
Fuck, I can't fucking move. There's so many goddamn. Where are they? Oh fuck! Guys, I'm too far away from you.
Easton, just go back to the fucking room.
Yeah. Fuck.
Dude,
Where
where
are
the
they,
rest of
Alex?
these things?
Are they upstairs?
Wait,
Shit.
Two of us stay by each other at all times.
I'm really far away, guys. He teleported me.
Over here, Harvards.
I'm almost back. Suck a dick, Sean. Fuck you. Fuck you, Sean.
I
Fuck
don't
you.
feel like
Back
it's
in
knocked
the
out there.
This is bullshit.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
Let's go this way. Don't
go.
look at that. Don't look at it.
Yeah, don't look at it.
Guys, I have him distracted.
Harvards is over by me. Harvards is over by me. They're in all the corners. We gotta go to the corner.
So which one's left? Have we go back the other way?
I think this corner. Back down here, back down here.
Damn. I defended that thing so good, too, for a long.
Where is this?
Give me my speed boost. Give me my speed boost.
I'm going insane, Alex.
Where's
Same.
my super soul?
Easton, can you help us see it?
I'm trying, man.
Right here,
Oh,
right here,
here.
right there.
Right here, there's two of them. There's another one right over here.
Give me my boost.
But we just need one. We
game.
just need this.
Oh yeah.
This is stupid. Every time I like caught
hard.
you guys, I got put across the map and my character's so slow I couldn't catch you.
It's hard, dude.
That was probably the hardest room for the sigils. What the fuck?
That was
Because I had,
super
like,
hard.
3